What's going on, everybody? It's Matt from the Hair Transplant channel here, and in this video we are gonna talk about hair fibers. I'm gonna show you my experience, how I use them, some before and after pictures, and I've been using many hair fibers for about 3-4 months right now. I've tried a lot of them. Based on that experience, I would like to tell you some advantages and disadvantages of using hair fibers. Alright, here we go. In this video, I was using Gofybr. Go check them out here because I got them for free. Those are actually free samples that you just get. Just pay for shipping £5 and it's a worldwide shipping. I have a dark brown and medium brown. All you guys who are new to this channel and don't know my hair situation and where I'm coming from, long story short, I got a hair transplant at the front of my scalp and the temples were also recreated. And now what's happening, the area behind my transplanted area is slightly receding. It's not like it's bald completely. This is especially the area where I'm gonna be using my hair fibers. So let's do it right now. You open the bottle. What you want to do right now is just spread it. You see how sensitive it is. You don't want to just go too crazy. You just lean it a little bit and you start applying the hair fibers. Okay, you just need to figure out how sensitive it is. You don't want to put too much hair fibers on your scalp because then people will notice. You will be just spot on. You will just end up with a pile of hair fibers on your scalp, and this is something that you don't want. And you could have probably seen how it's slowly covering up the bald spots, maybe some patchy spots, which are like less dense on hair on your scalp. Okay, now I'm gonna take some pictures with my phone camera so you can see it from the top, from another angle and with another lens, if you will, so we can like judge it, the before after difference. Alright, now a couple tricks I can give you. For example, now I actually mixed up between the medium brown and dark brown hair powder, hair fiber, just because I think it looks more natural, but you know, you have to play around with that. So you can actually buy two shades, two different or similar shades, and kind of mix between them and create your own mixture, which looks really cool on you especially. Another thing, use fixating spray, something that I'm not really a big fan of, but you can use it if you use a lot of powder especially. Why I don't use it? Because my hair is really fine and thin and I don't like to put a lot of fixating spray on it, maybe a little bit, because then it makes my hair, which is thin naturally, it makes it look really hard, you know, really like it likes a helmet. I don't like it because it doesn't look natural for me. But you can do it otherwise. It's a good choice. Any kind of fixating spray for your hair fibers is good, especially if it's windy outside. That's a great choice, guys. It's gonna stay there all day long. Something that I would definitely consider if I would be having a thicker hair texture. Now let's list a couple advantages and disadvantages that I stumbled upon. So the first advantage is definitely a quick fix. It's a quick fix formula that you just apply and it works. You have hair. Second, it's cheap, guys. In comparison with other treatments or even hair loss solutions like hair transplant or PRP session, or for example hair system, which can cost you up to $1,000 per year, it's quite inexpensive, right? So this is another advantage. Third, it's quite undetectable, especially for people who are like normal people. They are not like hair loss freaks like people on this channel maybe, who are like watching hairline and comparing the how perfect this hairline is in comparison to this hairline after hair transplant and stuff like that. So this is another advantage. Even if you are like 80% bald, you can really cover up a lot. I've seen pictures and videos where people actually covered up the whole bald head with it, and it's crazy. I know I wouldn't do it, but it's possible to cover a huge portion, a huge bald portion of your scalp with hair fibers. Just try it out. I'm not saying rock with it every day, but you know, maybe you want to just give it a try. It's not so expensive. It's practical, as we already said, and it's not gonna like destroy your life. Maybe order 1 or 2 of these, you know, just to kind of find out what is your shade, what is your pigment, so you can kind of know next time if you should go darker or lighter. So they have like 10 different shades to choose from, which is great, 10 flavors if you will, and you just check one that you think will suit you and then try it out yourself. So that was Matt Dominance from the Hair Transplant channel, and see you in the next video.